Let's learn how to create a drawing outline transition in Premiere Pro. First, add your two clips side by side on the timeline. Go to the Project panel, create a new adjustment layer, and drag it above your clips on the timeline. Move the playhead to the center where the two clips meet, then hold Shift and press the left arrow key 3 times to move back 15 frames. Cut and delete the extra part of the adjustment layer before the playhead. Return to the center, move forward 15 frames, and cut and delete the extra part after the playhead. Go to the Effects panel, search for Find Edges, and drag it onto your adjustment layer. At the start of the adjustment layer, open Effect Controls, click the stopwatch next to Blend with Original, and set it to 100%. Move the playhead to the center and change the Blend with Original value to 0%. Then move to the end of the adjustment layer and set the Blend with Original value back to 100%. Now, search for Film Dissolve in the Effects panel and drag it onto the center where your two clips meet. Click on the Film Dissolve effect, go to Effect Controls, set Alignment to Center at Cut, and set the duration to 10 frames. That's it. Let me know in the comments what tutorial you'd like next.